Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 1. Hello. Hello. A boy. Boy. Boys. Boys. A girl. Girl. Girls. Girls. Children. 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 Boys and girls are children. Children. The girl is eating. The girl is eating. The boy is eating. The boy is eating. Eat, eating. Eat, eating. The boy is eating. The girl is eating. The boys are eating. The boys are eating. The boys are eating. The girls are eating. The girls are eating. The girls are eating. Is eating. Are eating. The children are eating. The children are eating. The boy is drinking. The boy is drinking. Drink, drinking. Drink, drinking. The boy is drinking. The girl is drinking. The girls are drinking. The girls are drinking. The boys are drinking. The boys are drinking. Is drinking. Are drinking. A woman. Woman. A man. Man. A man and a woman. A man and a woman. A man and a woman. The woman is drinking. The woman is drinking. The man is drinking. The man is drinking. The man and the woman are drinking. The man and the woman are drinking. Man, men. A man. Men. Woman, women. A woman. Women. The woman is eating. The women are eating. The man is eating. The men are eating. Run, running. Run, running. The boy is running. The boy is running. The girl is running. The girl is running. The children are running. The children are running. The boy is running. He is running. The girl is running. She is running. The children are running. They are running. The man is running. He is running. The men are running. They are running. The woman is running. She is running. The women are running. They are running. Sit, sitting. Sit, sitting. The boy is not running. He is sitting. Is he running? No, he is not running. He is sitting. Is she running? No, she is not running. She is sitting. They are sitting. They are sitting. Are they running? No, they are sitting. Walk, walking. Walk, walking. The boy is walking. The boy is walking. walking. The boy is walking. He is not running. He is not sitting. He is walking. The man is walking. The man is walking. The man is not running. He is walking. The girls are walking. The girls are walking. Are they walking? Yes, they are. They are walking. Are the girls walking or running? They are walking. The men and the women are walking. They are walking. They are walking. Eating, eating. Drinking, drinking. Sitting, sitting. Walking, walking. Running, running. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Let's review. Let's review. Hello, girl, girls, woman, women, she, they, boy, boys, man, men, he, they, children, eating, drinking, running, sitting, walking, not, is, are. Goodbye. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 1. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe, please. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.